There are some 400 early career scientists here, and they've been getting together over the course of the last few days to come up with their response to the Planet Under Pressure Declaration. And I'm pleased to invite up to the stage Pamela Collins, who's going to give the response on behalf of the young scientists. Pamela.
Well, hello, everyone. Is this on? Yeah? Hi, everyone. Thanks for being here. I know it's the end. Everyone's tired. I'm really glad you're all still here, and you still have some energy to hear me talk a little bit more. As I've been introduced, my name is Pamela Collins, and I am here to represent the Youth Declaration Committee of the Planet Under Pressure Conference. We are a group of young and early career natural and social scientists from many countries and many backgrounds, and we are passionate not only about finding the way forward, but about leading the way forward. Before this conference, none of us knew each other, but during the past 4 days, we have spent a lot of time together discussing and debating the world's sustainability issues. Many of the participants in this process have told me that this was the absolute best part of the entire conference for them. They felt they had the chance to express their views, their voice, and really be heard in a way that conferences don't usually provide for. The final outcome of this whole process is a declaration that will serve as companion to the State of the Earth Declaration that was presented to you earlier today by Lydia Brito and Mark Stafford Smith. We have addressed our declaration to the leaders of the world who will assemble at the United Nations Sustainable Development Conference in Rio de Janeiro this June. But it is not only addressed to the leaders of the world. It is also addressed to all of you, to the larger scientific community, and to the rest of the world, because each and every one of us can and does make a difference with every single decision we make. In our youth declaration from this conference, we emphasize the interconnectedness between environmental, economic, and social problems. You cannot address one without addressing them all. We advocate greater openness and more long-term thinking. And above all, we demand the replacement of GDP with a more inclusive metric. If I may paraphrase the words of the British economist E.F. Schumacher, small really is beautiful, and economics and people and the environment all matter together. We also acknowledge the hard work of those who have come before us. There are already many good solutions out there, but they need support and enforcement and reinforcement. Further, we pledge to be part of the solution, to find new solutions, to spread the word beyond these walls and to take action. An easy example that I can give all of you here and now about what you can do to start taking action this very day, think about every item that you consume. Where did it come from? Why did you choose to consume it? What is going to happen with it when you're done with it? When you throw something away, where is away? Start paying attention to this. You can start now. We are asking our leaders and ourselves to do hard things, to take risks in the short term. But the long-term risks of inaction are so much greater. We won't solve everything at once, but small steps add up remarkably quickly, and we have to start now. We have chronicled the entire process of writing our declaration on this blog. Could you please put that slide up now? Thank you. Here, you see the record of this process over 4 days. You see participatory democracy in action. However, we would like to keep the momentum going after this conference as well. If you go to this blog, you can find my contact information on the right-hand side under the contributors list. Look for Pamela Collins. You can contact me. Please, let's all keep in touch. Let's keep this going afterwards. Finally, I would like to leave you with a closing thought from etymology, which I should point out is the study of word roots, not the study of insects. They differ by one letter. So, have you ever noticed how similar the words ecology and economy sound when you say them out loud? There's actually a good reason for that similarity. Both ecology and economy come from the same Greek root, oikos, which means house. So, roughly, ecology means studying your house, and economy means managing your house. There are two ways of thinking about the very same thing: our house, our home, this one planet Earth. Thank you.